Hey Mohammed, this is Steven. Okay, just real quick, whenever you log in, I'm just going to, we'll just say we log in. You see the project here, Fire Truck Marketing Team, and then you'll see, I think they're under to-dos, or you could do it really either way, but I normally look here. You can see the discussions, and like, for example, we've got three other team members. So, for example, Talbot. You'll see it that our client, Lisa or Michael or one of those folks, please retouch and upload to Salesforce. She will give the link. Talbot, which is one of our photo guys, which you will be working with along beside him, he says he got it. So once he gets it, he's going to go and retouch those photos. So let me show you an example here. Last Tuesday or on Tuesday, please retouch. Here's a link. Armello got it. Armello said, hey, all done. All photos replaced, the new ones, 62 in all. She made a note here. He said this is fixed. She said it looks good. So once you upload, once you do the editing, you will go in here and just okay, so here's the simple one. Retouch it. He got it. Done, Miss Lisa. All photos posted to the website. Looks good, thank you. Then she completed the to-do item. So it's pretty simple. So once you do that, you'll download the photos, re-upload them to the website. You'll let them know, and then they will check them to make sure they look good, and that job is done. So they're really quick. So for instance, here's some that are available right now. Please retouch the photos and upload to Salesforce. So if I'm you, I'll say, hey, got, and let them know. She'll add you to, it looks like Lisa's the primary contact, so she will add you to, but Armello, Jensen, and Talbot are the three other ones that will be working with you. Jensen doesn't claim very many jobs. Armello and Talbot are the ones that are more active. But as you can tell, there's always generally a lot of jobs available. So, but what I would probably do is just go in here. See, Jensen's already got this job. Talbot's got this job. So these four are available. So you'll go in here and say, hey, I got one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and make the introduction right now, and we'll go from here.